Q8516-2. How long are AD compliance records to be kept? A. Until the work is repeated or superseded by other work. B. For 1 year after the work is performed, or until the work is repeated or superseded by other work. C. They shall be retained and then transferred with the aircraft when it is sold. The correct answer is C. According to 14 CFH 591.417, B.2, the record of the current status of each relevant AD, together with each one's method of compliance, AD number, and modification date, must be kept and transmitted with the aircraft when it is sold. 8516-3. What does the Type Certificate Data Sheet Designation Code 2 PCSM mean? K01. A. Two-place, number of seats, closed. C. Monoplane. B. Two-wing, biplane, primary category, semi-monocoque, airframe. C. Neither of the other two choices. The correct answer is A. In the type certificate data sheets, the FAA utilizes coded information to describe how aircraft and engines are configured. The aircraft is a two-place, closed, C, monoplane, as indicated by the code 2 PCSM. 8516-4. Which of the following includes all the regulatory definitions of maintenance? A. Overhaul, repair, parts replacement, and preservation, and preventive maintenance. B. Overhaul, repair, parts replacement, preservation, inspection, and preventive maintenance. C. Overhaul, repair, parts replacement, inspection, and preservation. The correct answer is C. Inspection, overhaul, repair, preservation, and part replacement are all included in the definition of maintenance in 14 CFR Part 1. However, preventative maintenance is not. 8516-5. What is the maximum penalty for cheating or other unauthorized conduct when taking an FAA mechanic test? A. Ineligibility to receive any certificate or rating for 1 year. B. Ineligibility to receive any certificate or rating for 1 year, and suspension or revocation of any certificate held. C. Ineligibility to receive any certificate or rating for 1 year, and suspension of any certificate held. The correct answer is B. The maximum penalty for cheating or other unauthorized conduct when taking an FAA mechanic test is ineligibility to receive any certificate or rating for 1 year, and suspension or revocation of any certificate held. This means that a person who is found guilty of such conduct may be ineligible to receive any certificate or rating for 1 year, and may also face suspension or revocation of any certificate held. 8517. A complete detailed inspection and adjustment of the valve mechanism will be made at the first 25 hours after the engine has been placed in service. Subsequent inspections of the valve mechanism will be made each second 50-hour period. From the above statement, at what intervals will valve mechanism inspections be performed? A. 100 hours. B. 50 hours. C. 125 hours. The correct answer is A. The engine may run for 100 hours without a valve mechanism inspection since it only has to be checked every second hour interval. 8518. Check thrust bearing nuts for tightness on new or newly overhauled engines at the first 50-hour inspection following installation. Subsequent inspections on thrust bearing nuts will be made at each third 0-hour inspection. From the above statement, at what intervals should you check the thrust-bearing nut for tightness? A. 150 hours. B. 200 hours. C. 250 hours. The correct answer is A. The engine can run for LS0 hours between inspections of the tightness of the thrust-bearing nuts since they must be examined for tightness after the first 50 hours in service and subsequently on every third-hour inspection.